Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Gain Fireworks and Wash Scent Booster, and this is just in the set Moonlight Breeze. And this is just how the back look. Okay, so starting off about this, I don't know if you guys have ever. Gain actually got this product from, I'm pretty sure they not copied it from somebody else, but they got this product from another brand, because there was one brand originally who were doing these little bead brand washer things. Oh, I forgot. I don't know the name right now, guys, but if you guys know what I'm talking about, then you understand. But one thing that I really do want to say about this product, guys, it works so good. It smells so good. I can smell it from right here, and it's not even open. Nothing's open. And this is not the first scent that I've tried by them. I've tried other multiple scents. Works so well. There's a lot of reasons why I do love this product, but I'm just going to touch on a few. So these are little beads. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it from the bottom, but these are little beads. And one thing that I can say, you guys are probably like, this container's so bulky, who's taking this with them when they need to wash? I don't know if you guys have washers in your house or you guys have to go somewhere to wash, but that's the beautiful thing about this. If you are washing in your house, then this is very easy to just sit on the top of like wherever you wash, on your mantle, and just sprinkle a few in the washer. And if you guys are washing somewhere else, guys, all you literally have to do is just sprinkle a couple in a little plastic baggie, and honestly just take it with you, because that's how easy this is. Like, it doesn't require that much maintenance. When I'm washing, I literally love washing with this. Honestly, you take what I do is I just when I'm washing my clothes, I just put my load in, and then I sprinkle a few in the washer, and then I'll start the water. Or I've seen people do it the opposite way, or where they let the water go in first, and then they'll sprinkle a few of these in the water, and then yeah, and it honestly makes your clothes smell so good. You don't need that much. Probably one of the best enhancers that I've used for clothing items. So good. Also too, guys, and I don't know if this is just me personally, but I'm very overprotective when it comes to my clothes. I don't like my clothes to be damaged. It's the last thing that I would want to happen, especially considering that I just am very we buy our clothes with our money, so you don't want anything to happen to them. And I've just had so many bad experiences, whether it's with detergents or things that you're putting in the washer and stuff like that, that I'm very cautious when it comes to what is going in the washer with my clothes. And so, guys, the one thing I can say about this will not harm your clothes. I think what happens when it goes in the hot water, or just the water in general, is that it tends to fade away with the other, with the water. The water tends to kind of almost as if dissolving, if it was a bath bomb within your clothes. And so I appreciate that aspect of it too. My clothes smell so good. And the other thing too is you pay this. Okay, so this product is not the most affordable. It is a little on the pricey side, but the one thing I can say though is that it lasts for a long time. This bottle has lasted for about 2 months, and there's still a lot left in here. So you don't need much, guys. And I don't know if you guys can see this close up, but they're almost as if white, almost like soap. I'm trying to find a good way to explain it. So this is what they look like. And it just looks like shards of soap cut up. And I appreciate how tight this cap is because you don't want like it to spill out, and to get these everywhere would be like the worst nightmare ever. Like imagine trying to clean those up off of a carpet, or even like the tiniest of, like, to get these out of this carpet would be the worst. So that's the other thing too, like the cap, not only does it have a closing cap, but it has a cap that you put on there. And a part of this cap too, also, you can use this to put some of the seeds in, so it's just like an easy, like you're putting it in the washer type of feel. Also too guys, something else that is really cool about this product is the bottle. I don't know why, but I'm so obsessed with the way that companies brand their products. And this bottle is so amazing. Like, look at the way like the design is, like the way that everything is just marketed on this bottle is cool. But like I said, guys, this is just the Gain Fireworks Moonlight Breeze. Such a cool bottle, such a cool product, nice product, works so well, makes your clothes smell good, and I would suggest this to anybody.